So you've been paying far too much attention to certain windows of yourself and not paying attention to other aspects of yourself that are important. Now, as the barriers are being broken down by natural evolution of humanity, then suddenly you're being exposed to all these other selves that have always been there, and they're getting your attention, and they get your attention by your new insights or ideas or feelings or things you're drawn to, things you start paying attention to. And the moment you start doing that, what you end up doing is establishing within yourself a great magnet within yourself, because what you've basically done is you've just woken up the God nature in you. And as that God nature is woken up in you, then you start emitting certain frequencies. And those certain frequencies align you with the new lifelines, as I said. And in these lifelines is, as I said, information